Most people spend their career trying to become an expert. I accidentally picked the one where every promotion comes with a brand new way to feel stupid. Here, you are in a committed relationship with a machine that will literally ghost you if you forget a single semicolon. And just when you finally figure out how to communicate with it, the entire ecosystem resets. Because here, tutorials expire faster than milk. Your ultimate roadmap becomes outdated before the thumbnail finishes rendering. It traps you in this ridiculous cycle where you are always exactly 3 steps behind the hype train.
Because when you finally learn Python, everyone moves to AI. You start understanding AI, now it's AI agents. You build AI agents, now everyone's talking about MCP servers. You spend 2 weeks figuring out what an MCP server actually is, and before you finish, someone on Twitter announces MCP is dead, and now we have to learn agent skills. See, there are careers where knowledge actually compounds. If you're a doctor, the human body hasn't really updated its terms of service in about 200,000 years. But if you're in IT sector, the moment you finally master a framework, some 19-year-old in a hoodie launches something, and now you are functionally illiterate again. And right now, it's worse than ever because we're all just pretending to know how AI works. Half the industry is just aggressively copying and pasting prompts into ChatGPT, begging for a Python script, and praying it doesn't accidentally format the company's database again. You'd think experience would save you, but it doesn't. Here, being a senior in this field doesn't mean you are smarter than everyone else. It just means you're much faster at Googling why 10 plus 10 equals 1010.
And on the other side, an employee is sitting in the dark at 3 a.m. trying to figure out why the code works on his machine and shows path not found in Office. And the secret to surviving this career isn't getting good. It's just getting really comfortable with the feeling of being completely inadequate. I picked the career where I'm always the beginner because, honestly, the only thing worse than feeling like an idiot every single day is realizing you've been filling out the exact same Excel spreadsheet for 40 years.
Anyway, subscribe if you want. And now I need to go and find topic for next video.